no idea what we're going to find in here, so hopefully nothing too drastic. Right, due for a change, but nothing crazy in there. Pretty low amount of dust, and the biggest thing we've got to see is, do we have a rubber seal on? Which we do. You can see on the back of that washer, it's a little steel washer and then a rubber washer. That's a big deal there. If you're missing that, you are dusting your engine straight away into the gap there. We'll go straight through. There we go.